Hello, welcome to Kurdish Lessons. I am very happy to see you here again. So in this video lesson, I am going to teach you some daily items names, words in Kurdish, and I will try to use them in sentences. Maybe I will show you some verbs related to these items, and hopefully at the end of this video, you will learn new words, new usages, and the name of some items in Kurmanji. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please subscribe. And if you know someone is trying to learn Kurdish in your family, from your people, share this video with them. Okay, as you see here, it says daily objects, daily items in Kurmanji. Now let's have a look at the first page. What do you see? Do you know the name of any items here? Huh? Do you know them? Which one? Which one? Maybe this one, maybe this one. Okay, so first of all, so we will start from very beginning, from the left side. So here, there is a teapot, right? Teapot. Teapot. So teapot in Kurmanji, çaydank. Çaydank. Okay, I'm sure you have seen Kurdish teapots, Kurdish çaydanks. So there are two parts, upper parts and low parts. So this way. So for the upper parts you put tea, and the other one has water, so boiling water. So you use them together. So çaydank. Okay. And let me teach you a verb related to chai. So to say prepare, making tea, you will say chai çekirim. Okay, so this is the infinitive form, to make tea. Okay, and in a sentence, in the present tense, as çaye çekirim, I am making tea. As çaye çekirim. As çaye çekirim. And in the past time, min çay çeker, I make tea, I prepare tea. Okay, min çay çeker. So as çaye çekirim, I am making tea. And min çay çeker, I prepared tea. I made tea. And don't forget, in Kurdish culture, the usual tea we drink is black tea. So when you say chai, we never think about green tea. Okay, it's always black tea. Of course, there are some winter teas, like you boil, you make some herbs, some dried fruits, but usually the tea is black tea. Okay, so as çaye çekirim, min çay çeker. The first item is teapot, çaydank, and the gender of this word, as you know, each word has a gender in Kurmanji. It's feminine. So çaydanka min, çaydanka ve, çaydanke ve. Okay, in izafe form. So this is the first word. The second word is frying pan. So the pan has two names, tawe and maqalk. So maqalk is a borrowing from Arabic, but you hear people use it, especially around Midyat. Okay, in Bakur, around Midyat, you hear people say maqalk, but in other cities it's tawe. So maqalka, taweya, and it's feminine. Okay, this word is also feminine. And any verb related to this item can be qallandın or sorkırın, which is to fry. Okay, so to say fried potatoes, so you will say pataten qallandi or pataten sorkırı. So I'm sure you know potatoes. So qallandi is fried. Okay, sorkırı is fried. Okay, so this is how do you say to fry something. Okay, so this is the next item is rende. So it's, I think in English it's greater. So this is rende. Rende is greater. And you can basically say rendekeren. Okay, rendekeren as a verb. I think, yeah, you can say rendekeren. Yes. So this is the verb you can use with rende. And the next word, window. How do you say window? Window. So window has three different words, different names. So this is page is the first one for window. Oops. Window. Page, pencere or şubake. So page, pencere, şubake means window. And here you see there is a mug so a coffee mug. A mug will be coupe. And if it is for tea, if it is like smaller, it can be fincan. So how do you say? So I don't know in English if there is any difference between mug for tea and mug for coffee. So I will say fincan as well if it is small, and usually for tea, fincan. Okay, fincan. This is mug. And here we have fork. What is fork? Do you know what fork is in Kurmanji? Fork is çatal. And the next word you can use spoon. Spoon is, how do we say spoon? So wait a second, I need to highlight these words. Yes, but not this part, no. And the window, we need to highlight it. So fork, çatal, and spoon. Spoon is, who knows? Spoon, kafçi. Okay, so kafçi is the usual one, the big one for soups, for rice, etc. But if you want to say teaspoon, kafçike çay. Okay, teaspoon. Okay, teaspoon, kafçike çay. Oh, here we have a pair of socks. A pair of socks is gore. So in Kurmanji, it is, the pair is singular. Okay, so gore means a pair of socks. Okay, a pair of socks. So if I say gore amin likuye, I mean both. Okay, a pair of socks. So gore amin likuye. Where is my sock? And if you want to say to put on, I think we use in English to put on for socks. So min goreya khwe kir linge khwe. Okay, I put it on. Min goreya khwe kir linge khwe or khist linge khwe. Okay, so it is to put on. من goreya khwe kir linge khwe, min goreya khwe khist linge khwe. It's present tense. It's past tense because it's min, right? Min. And here we have pen or pencil, this one. So to say pen or pencil, it is, so both are qalam in Kurmanji, or you may say penus. Okay, so qalam is a borrowing from Arabic, but we use it a lot. So and it's a feminine word. Penusaman likuye, qalamaman likuye. Where is my pen or pencil? So no difference between pen and pencil in Kurmanji, okay? Okay, so this is pen, pencil. Oh, here we have care, which is knife. Care, care, care, care. So be careful. Here, A is long. So you say care, not care. Care, okay, care. It's a feminine word. Keramen likuya. By the way, if chatal is masculine, you say chatalemen, chataleta, chatalewi. And kafchi is also masculine. Kafchiyemen, kafchiyeta, kafchiyewi, etc. And here we have uti, uti, uti, uti. And the verb is utikren, utikren, to iron, right? So as jilen khwa utidikum, أو jilen khwa utidke, as jilen khwa, as jilen khwa utidikum, to jilen khwa utidke, أو jilen khwa, to jilen khwa utidki, أو jilen khwa utidke, أم هون أو jilen khwa utidke. Oh, the next part. Oh wait, but here maybe to put it here it's better. Okay. So now here we have more words, more items. So the first one, this is a C1 or shamsiya, which is umbrella, right? C1 yaman, shamsiya yaman, feminine. And these are, I don't know how we call them in English, but in Kurmanji you use bizmar. So bizmar is these things. Bizmar. And here we have a scissor, which is maqas. Maqas, and it's a maqaseman. It's a masculine word. Maqaseman, maqaseta, maqasawi, of maqasa. Chu. Okay, maqaseman sora. Oh, livergy, here we have barosh. Barosh is pot, cooking pot. Oh, oops. So barosh is pot. And a verb which related to pot can be kalanden. Kalanden is to boil, right? To boil, kalanden. Kalanden. So as the kalinum or min kaland. Let's say as jbo chaye ave de kalinum. I am boiling water for tea. As jbo khwarane ave de kalinum. I am boiling water for food. Here, this one is balif or balgi. So balgi yemen, balif yemen, it's masculine. And any word related to this word can be raketen, to sleep, or razan also to sleep, or khawkirin, nevisten, all are to sleep, right? And here we have an oven, and oven, it will be fırın. Fırın is oven. Fırın. Oh, the fırın da in the oven, nanek haya. In the oven there is a bread. The fırın da nanek haya. There is a piece of bread, nanek haya. Oh, this is, as nizanım bir İngilizce afçıya. I don't know what you call in English. But this is darke jilan, which is literally a stick for clothes. Darke jilan. Oh, livergy, ampoule, no, it's not ampoule, is lambe or abajur, probably it's from French. So lambeyek haya, abajurek haya. Oh, lejam, way next to it. دو كرسي وماسة. So ماسة وكرسي. Table and chairs. ماسة وكرسي. The last one is أفتشية taxi. Taxi or taxi. So both are used. It means a taxi. But to say car, like car in general, it's عربة or تريمبل or سيارة. Okay? So all these words are quite common. I suggest you memorize these words. براش، مقص، سیوان، بالگی، ماسه و کرسی. چی چایدنگ، تاوه، کوپه or فنجان، اوتی، کر، کفچی، چتل، قلم، گوره، پاجه، پنجره، شباکه. So all these words are really common in daily life. So memorize them and learn them by heart and let me know if you have any question. So you know my email address, KurdishLessons2019@gmail.com, and my name is Gule. بقدر